Alright, just wanted to update you guys on the S10 LS swap. Got the transmission all bolted up to a 5.3 LM7 motor. And believe it or not, oh, you can't really see it, but this flex plate is, the flex plate I used came out of a 4.8 that was bolted up to a 4L80. Now, every video I saw, they had to oblong out the flex plate holes in order to get it bolted up to the torque converter. But I'm assuming because this is a BOP turbo 400 transmission I'm assuming that's why, but it lined up perfectly. I don't know if it's because it was the 4.8 liter flex plate that was behind a 4L80, or if it's because it's the Pontiac th400 transmission. But either way, it bolted right up, and I used nuts for spacers to take into consideration for the thickness of the adapter here. And I've got the firewall all pounded back, and instead of getting a different oil pan, I just notched the frame, and then I took the bottom part of it and bent it up, and then welded it across. Yeah, you see my handiwork. But it'll do. I'm gonna probably weld something underneath here too. I'm gonna make like a skid plate because the oil pan's gonna hang a little bit lower, so I want to make sure, and it'll add some structure. It should be fine, but I will be running a little over 500 horsepower though, with the nitrous and everything. But so I'm installing my TransDap universal dipstick tube here, and because I've got the adapter here, and see, this is the stud I'm supposed to use. This is supposed to go in here, and then the adapter, or it bolts up like this, but it doesn't fit because I got the adapter. It's different threads in there. So what I'm doing, I'm taking just another bolt, and I'm gonna weld it to the back. This is the bolt that goes into the adapter, and then I'm just gonna weld that in there. So I'm making my own stud. So should work pretty good. And well, I started cutting. I got a hole cut here in my bed so I can get the fuel pump out, because I'm doing it the easy way. And I'm just gonna throw a bed liner in it. I've got one for this truck, so I'm gonna put this back, but it's gonna be ugly, so I'll throw the bed liner in there. But let's see, anything else I've done? Yeah, the motor fits just fine. Fits right in there. I haven't set it in and bolted it up yet with the motor mounts yet, so we'll see. Like, it fits, but I might need to do something about my heater box there. But we will see. The next video will be me putting this thing in there. Check it out. It's a thing of beauty. All right, guys.